comes. Matt Weiner is down there in the middle of all of that. Let's send it down to him. What do you have, Matt?
It's a pretty happy place to be right now, and I'm here with Anthony Rizzo, the go-ahead home run that stuck. Look around you a little bit. You've been here long enough to appreciate what this means to this team.
It means way more than to the team, to the city, to everyone that's part of this organization. We just played an unbelievable ball club right there. They're the top of the top. They're the cream of the crop. And we gave it our all. They gave it their all. And, I mean, it's just a battle. We're so happy right now. I can't even put into words.
Home runs on back-to-back nights on 0-2 counts for you. What were you looking for?
Just something to hit, honestly. And, you know, you can do damage on any pitch. And we face these guys so much. There's really no tricking us. It's here we go, and I got lucky there.
For most of the series, the Cardinals couldn't get Jorge Soler out. Tonight he makes what might have been the biggest play of the game.
Unbelievable throw. George has a cannon. He's really carried us, and this, like I said, is an unbelievable win.
Take a look around you. This place has been here forever, Anthony. This is the first time in the history of this organization that the Cubs and their fans have been able to celebrate a series win here.
They deserve it. They deserve it. And hopefully this is just a taste of what's about to come. So we're going to enjoy this. The whole city's going to enjoy this together, as we should. Like I said, we just beat the best team in baseball. So we're going to celebrate this. The city deserves this.
Have fun. We'll see you next week.
Thank you. Appreciate it.